Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot 2008 in the Allure specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange and it has a full service history. The car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. But inside the car there's half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 23,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.